Want marketing goals that actually get results? Follow these simple steps to make them actionable. Your marketing goals should directly support what your business wants to achieve. Instead of increase sales, say boost online sales by 15% in 3 months. Use numbers and metrics so you can track progress and know when you've succeeded. Goals should stretch you, but still be doable with your resources and time frame. Make sure someone is responsible and set clear deadlines to keep things moving. Check progress often and tweak goals as needed to stay on track. Create goals you can act on and crush. Want a goal-setting template? Comment below. I got you.